You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once at Pro how to pronounce the name of this country in, indeed, Asia. Yes, it's Asia. How do you pronounce it? Well, the local pronunciation in Malay, Malay being the language here, is pronounced as Malaysia. That's how they say it locally in the local language. But in English, it's not pronounced that way. It's pronounced Malaysia. Yes, like Asia. Malaysia. We just stress on that lay syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Malaysia, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.